electric field due to a thin spherical shell of charge. Consider a thin spherical shell of charge Q and charge density sigma, where sigma is the charge per unit area. R be the radius of the sphere on which charges are distributed uniformly. The system is kept in free space or vacuum medium of absolute permittivity epsilon naught. We know electric field lines from the spherical shell emerge radially outwards. And imagine a Gaussian surface which is a sphere S dash having radius small r which is larger than capital R. Capital R is the radius of the spherical shell of charge and small r is the radius of the Gaussian surface S dashed which encloses the charge Q which is spread on the spherical shell of charge, and E be the electric field over the Gaussian surface. According to Gauss theorem, we know integration over the closed surface S dashed over the Gaussian surface E dot ds equal to Q by epsilon naught. If sigma is the charge density, what is the total charge on the surface? Total charge on the surface is Q, which is equal to sigma times area of the spherical shell. Or we write Q equal to sigma into 4 pi capital R square, where capital R is the radius of the thin spherical shell. And this itself we know that is the total flux crossing through the Gaussian surface. That is the total electric flux crossing through the Gaussian surface S dash. Now on solving this, we write E into integration over S dashed ds, total surface area of the Gaussian surface, equal to Q by epsilon naught. Substituting the values, we write E into total surface area of the Gaussian surface of radius r is 4 pi small r square, which is equal to Q. Q is sigma times 4 pi capital R square, that is the total charge over the spherical shell, that is Q whole divided by epsilon naught. Or on simplification we can get E equal to, we can cut the quantities 4 pi and 4 pi here. So E equal to sigma by epsilon naught into capital R square divided by small r square. This is the magnitude of electric field over the Gaussian surface of radius r due to thin spherical shell of charge. If I write the vector E, this is equal to sigma by epsilon naught into capital R square divided by small r square into unit vector